Welcome back, children. In this paragraph, what the writer says, Jim had not seen his beautiful present. She held it out to him eagerly upon her palm. On her palm, Della kept the beautiful present that was the fob chain, the platinum fob chain, the dull precious metal. Which is it? That is platinum. So that dull platinum, the dull precious metal, seemed to flash with a reflection of her bright and ardent spirit. The bright and ardent spirit, the sparkle in her eyes, made that dull precious metal flash because of her reflection of her bright and ardent spirit. The metal which was dull, it flashed. Paragraph number 42. Isn't it dandy, Jim? Jim, isn't it excellent? I hunted all over town to find it. You will have to look at the time 100 times a day now. Give me your watch. I want to see how it looks on it. Now, this was the time to go for a watch. Della asked her husband to give the watch, which was the most precious one for him. Isn't it dandy, Jim? Isn't it excellent? Wasn't it excellent? Yes, of course, it was excellent. The platinum fortune was very excellent. She had hunted all over the town to find it. She had roamed everywhere to search for it. He would have to look at the time 100 times a day now after getting that platinum fortune. Shanvi, please mute yourself. Okay. Yes, after getting that platinum fob chain to the watch, he had to look for the time for a whole day. Instead of obeying, now give me your watch. I want to see how it looks on it. She wanted his watch. She asked him to give his watch. Did he give? Instead of obeying, Jim tumbled down on the coach and put his hands under the back of his head and smiled. What was the response? How did he respond? Jim just tumbled down. He just broke down and sat down on the coach and put his hands under the back of his head like this and smiled. He just smiled at her. This was the response which was given by her husband towards Della. Della said, Dell said he, let's put our Christmas presents away and keep them a while. They are too nice to use just at present. I sold the watch to get the money to buy your combs. And now, suppose you put the chops on. What was the response? Let us put our Christmas presents away. Now, Della, just keep the present aside. Combs, platinum chain, and everything, let that be aside. And keep them a while. Just keep them a while. Keep them aside. They are too nice to use just at present. Yes, at present, they are too nice. He had sold his watch to get the money. Very sad. One side, Della had sold her precious possession, long hair, and on the other end, Jim had sold his precious watch, which had been given by his father and his grandfather. The most precious one was lost by Della and Jim. I sold the watch to get the money to buy your combs. To buy those combs, he had sold his watch. And now, suppose you put the chops on. Now, he asked her to go to prepare the chops. The last paragraph, the Magi, as you know, were wise men, wonderfully wise men who brought gifts to the babe in the manger. They invented the art of giving Christmas presents. What the writer says here, the Magi, as you know, were wise men. Who are they? They were wonderfully wise men. Who are they? They were the persons, they were the Magi they were the persons who brought gifts to the babe in the manger. Who is that babe in the manger? That is Jesus Christ or infant Jesus. They invented the art of giving Christmas presents. Who invented the art of giving Christmas present? Who invented the art of presenting a gift at the time of Christmas? Soumya Hegde.
Wise, wise men.
Yes, the Magi. We have to mention them as the Magi. The Magi, they brought gifts and they invented the art of giving Christmas present. Being wise, their gifts were no doubt wise ones. They were very wise, no doubt about that. Possibly bearing the privilege of exchange in case of duplication. And here I have lamely related to you the uneventful chronicle of two foolish children in a flat who most unwisely sacrificed for each other the greatest treasures of their house. But in a last word, to the wise of these days, let it be said that of all who give gifts, these two were the wisest. Of all who give and receive gifts, such as they are wisest, everywhere they are wisest, they are the Magi. Now, see, the materials which were given by the Magi could be duplicated, right? They could be exchanged. And here, the writer O. Henry, lamely, in a weak form, he has related to the uneventful chronicle of two foolish children. Who are those two foolish children? Della and Jim. In a flat who most unwisely, foolishly sacrificed, they foolishly sacrificed their greatest treasures of their house. That was the gold watch and the long hair. But in last word, who are the wisest now? Wise of these days, let it be said that of all who give gifts, these two were the wisest. Who were the wisest? Della and Jim were the wisest. Of all who give and receive gifts, such as they are wisest everywhere, they are wisest. Who are wisest? Della and Jim are wisest. Now, who are the real Magi? The real Magi are Della and Jim. Children, now we have to come to know the exact theme of the story. The theme of the story, as we have already come to know, that the unconditional love which has no boundaries. The unconditional love is not having any boundaries. There is no boundary for an unconditional love. The gift that Jim and Della give to one another end up having no useful function. It was not useful to both. But they are the most valuable one for them. So these gifts symbolize the sacrifice which they made for each other. By sacrificing their own precious possession, they purchased the gifts for each other. That is the greatest love. Sacrificing for somebody, that is the greatest one. So here, finally, who are the real Messiah? Della and Jim are the real Messiah. Okay, so here the lesson ends. Whatever the doubts you have, you can message me. So if you contact me later, then I could answer you. Okay, thank you so much. See you again in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye. After 5 minutes, you will have social science class. Get ready for that. Take 5 minutes break and come back. Thank you. See you again.